Hi there YouTube, I'm back again. I'm just back because this was so much fun to make. Like, I'm now genuinely enjoying making these videos. This is becoming a lot easier for me. I'm so excited that you guys keep sticking around, that you guys are viewing along and subscribing. It's been a lot of fun creating them. I feel like I'm learning a lot, and I have something really, really cool to show you guys. Do you see my dog? Look at him. Anyways, I just opened this up on my Instagram live stream, and it is the most beautiful thing I think I've seen in a while, and I have to share it with you guys. Okay, so I had this company reach out to me, Phil Lewis Art. I will link them below. They have an Instagram profile, and they also are online, so you can check them out online. But they are an engraver, so they engrave like a lot of things, and they have really cool art. So this guy reached out to me on Instagram and told me that he wanted to engrave my Pax 3, and so I looked at his work, and you guys, it's gorgeous. You have to go check out his Instagram account. His work is absolutely beautiful. But he sent me over my Pax 3, and it's engraved, and I've looked at it. It's beautiful, it's perfect, and he sent me some beautiful slaps, so I wanted to show you guys. So he sent me, like, that's one of his designs, and then, like, look how cool that is. I love this one. This one's my favorite. And then this one with a bear. Then he just sent me some little business cards. Like, this one's got an owl on it. There we go. And then this one has just like mountains on it. He's based in Boulder, Colorado. So I bet that's what the mountains are for. But, oh my gosh, this is the best part. This is the Pax 3. I gave him my gold one to engrave, but it's just, it's even more detailed and gorgeous than I even thought. I'm going to probably just insert like a little close-up of this Pax 3 because it's so beautiful, and I can't even show you guys because of the way it's white and it just isn't filming well. So I think I'm gonna have to give you guys some dope close-ups with maybe a little bit of music. Okay, so without further ado, I think we should pack this up and test it out. Got my herb right here. This is some banana OG, which I'm loving. Normally I have my little scoop, but I just wanted to film this really quick and share it with you guys because I'm on a roll. We're uploading so frequently, and I think that this stuff is pretty high quality. We're doing a pretty good job so far, so pats on the back for me and you guys for joining along. It's been really nice that you guys are actually joining in with me. So let's turn this on. I love the Pax 3. This is my favorite. I'm gonna link a promo code down here. You can get free next day shipping on the Pax 3 at pax.com if you insert Beards420. This was actually the first company that ever partnered with me when I was just a little itty bitty Instagram account. I wasn't even a blog at that point. And Pax reached out to me and gave me a Pax 3, even though I already had one. And I'm so glad I had a spare one to send off to get engraved, because this is beautiful. Cheers, guys. Well, I don't think I've ever baked banana OG. But it actually has a fruity flavor, so now I'm really understanding where that banana flavor is coming from. I love this thing. Oh my god, you guys, and the most legit part, they engraved my screen name on the back of it. So on the back of this it says Budznbeardz. Like, is that not the most legit thing ever? I'll try to show you guys here. Oh my god, is that not like the coolest thing ever? Look. And then he has his little logo right here, the Phil Lewis Art logo. So fucking dope. This is like the dopest thing in the world. Like, I just can't stop showing you guys. Like, look how intricate that design is. It's made with a laser engraving machine, but like he designs that art. Like, how beautiful is that?
This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
I just feel so blessed to be able to share this with you guys. It's blowing my mind how many genuinely talented artists I'm finding on Instagram. The cannabis community is just so talented. So talented. And I'm so glad that I'm getting to share people's art like this with you guys, like, because seriously, like, thank you so much, Phil Lewis Art. This is amazing. I am extremely grateful and extremely high. This was fun. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I will respond to every comment that I get. So, stay high, guys. Oh, and subscribe. I almost forgot. I do want you guys to subscribe, because then it's like you're a member of the Budznbeardz crew, you know? So, join the crew. Stay high, guys. Bye.